Alright guys, so I've been playing around with the Pixel 4a for a little bit, and I gotta tell you guys, I fell in love. Love at first pixel. This is probably one of the best deals in tech. Now something to keep in mind of, this is only one model, 128 gigabytes, just black. So it's one storage, one color, one everything. The animation is sick, you have always on display, and I'm coming from iPhones, you know, the iPhone SE, the 11 Pro Max. This does have 6 gigabytes of RAM. This is a 5.8-inch display. This is OLED. In terms of the processor, this is a Snapdragon 730 G4 processor, but just me using it is very silky smooth. Everything is just nice and smooth. YouTube Music, Instagram, yeah, and everything is just flying through. Pretty sick. The star of the show has to be the cameras. The rear camera is a 12.2 megapixel, while the front facing camera, which is right there, I absolutely love the punch hole. This has 8 megapixels. So that's one of the main reasons why I love this so much, is just the design of the phone. Having an old screen design on a budget phone, this is like amazing. I mean, you getting a better value than the iPhone SE. You have a chin and a forehead on an iPhone SE. Now, no 60 frames per second or no 4K on the front facing camera, but on the rear you can record 4K 30 frames per second or 1080p 60 frames per second. And you also have a fast charger included inside the box. Definitely important to note. The material is actually not too shabby. Even though this is plastic, it feels like aluminum. It kind of does feel, it doesn't feel cheap. Another feature I love is the recorder. Something simple like this, you can now have a transcript of your recording. So for example, it's going to automatically record the text and it's going to record the voice memo. So if you'd like to, you know, write down your transcript, this is going to probably make things a little bit more easier. And then at any point, the best thing is you can search up your recording. So if I say transcript, it's going to highlight at that point where you said transcript. So I absolutely love that. I think that's a feature that I absolutely love. I love the fact how this is just Android. You know what I'm saying? You can customize it to your liking. You have split screen multitasking, so I can have Google Chrome and I can have YouTube playing at the same time. Okay, so now Google Chrome on the bottom, YouTube on the top. For $350, cheaper than the SE, you're getting a lot for your money. This is definitely up there along with the iPad being best value in tech. But this, you're getting 128 gigabytes of storage, you're getting the OLED, you're getting all the bells and whistles of the Pixel. Even though some features are missing, like all the gimmicks of the gestures here, but you still have your standard gestures, such as if you double press on the lock button, you access your camera. If you twist the Pixel, you flip it around. Love that a lot. So look at that gesture. That's dope. That's so dope. And it even gives you you know, some tips on how to take that perfect picture. I almost said perfect pixel. Real quick, I'm gonna do a little camera test between the Pixel and the SE. I was gonna make a separate video talking about this, but so many people made their video, made their comparison, so why not? Let's just bunch these into one video and just compare it right now. But on a later video, I'm going to compare it to my 11 Pro Max, one of the best smartphone cameras, versus the budget camera, which is very good for taking pictures. You guys like my headband? The headband might be the new signature look on this channel. Who knows? And it's kind of disappointing how the iPhone SE doesn't have some kind of night mode on there. I think that was a big letdown. I think it has a processor to support it, of course. But Apple is reserving it for the more expensive models. But Pixel, they said no. We want to put this on all of our Pixel phones, and it definitely doesn't disappoint at all. But right away, I just absolutely love the Pixel, and it just doesn't break the bank. You're still getting some flagship features. You have an extremely fast fingerprint scanner, although you don't have face unlock, but at least the fingerprint scanner is super quick, very accurate. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new around here with notifications on. And also, thank you guys so much for the 70,000 subscribers. I really do appreciate that. It makes me happy. We did it together, so close. Alright guys, I hope you guys have a simple day, and until next time, peace.